Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your games in PlayStation Plus on your PlayStation 5 Pro. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to top and go to Settings and scroll on down to Users and Accounts. Now under here, we want to go to where it says Other. Then go to the right and go to Console Sharing Offline Play. Now on your main account, you want to do this where you buy all your games and you purchase PlayStation Plus. Just simply go on over to where it says Enabled. And then you should be able to share all your games on your account and PlayStation Plus to every other account on your PlayStation. So just simply press enabled. Now you can only have one PlayStation enabled at a time. So if you got two PS5s in the house, only one can be enabled for console sharing and offline play, and the other cannot. But you can have a PS4 and a PS5 set as home as well. So what you want to do to get the games now is go on your main account, over to the game library, your collection, and download it on your main account. And then when you switch to your other accounts, you should be able to go ahead and play that game. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.